Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick haul. I'm going to show you guys everything that I have purchased and accumulated over the past week and a half, 2 weeks. I recently did a haul, which you guys should be seeing before this, and that was for things that I had purchased like 2 weeks prior to that. But I just want to show you guys everything that I recently purchased. Most of the things are from IKEA. Some of the items are from estate sales, and because long story short, we'll talk about that. And then that's pretty much it. Just some random things here and there, I think, but most of the things are from estate sales and from IKEA. So let's go ahead and hop into the video. So the first thing that I got is this mirror, and I actually got it off of Facebook Marketplace. As you can see, it almost goes all the way up to the crown molding. So I really love this. For years, I used a very small mirror, the ones that you get from like Walmart. I'll show you guys what it looks like because it's in the guest room now, but it's very puny. I've always wanted a big one, so I went on Facebook one day, went to Facebook Marketplace, as I do basically like multiple times a week, and I saw that this was being sold for 80 bucks and it was in pretty good condition, and it was about $50, really about $60 less than if I were to have purchased it from IKEA, which is where you can get it from. Like, I'll link this down below in the description box so you can see which one it is at IKEA. But yeah, this is what it looks like in all of its glory. Like I said, it has like a platinum border, and I can of course one day paint that if I choose to, if I wanted to match more, you know, with the vibe of the room, which is kind of like gold. But I do have silver elements, or like platinum elements, if you will, so this is not a bad idea. I have it catty cornered here, and that is because eventually I think my vanity is going to go here, and I do have a vanity which I'm about to show y'all. But yeah, this is what I got from Facebook Marketplace. But like I said, they are on sale on the IKEA website, and I bought this because it was cheaper. Also, it would have been difficult to move this in our cars from the IKEA, which is like 2 hours away, to back to where we live. So it kind of just made sense. I was gonna buy it anyway because it was a cheaper price, so therefore that alone already made it a good decision. But yeah, we have little cars, so it would have been difficult to move this from where we would have gotten it from at one of the IKEAs to where we live. So this is my mirror. Unrelated to this haul, this is the mirror that I used for years, and it just hung over my door, and I've had this for probably like at least 10 years, like since I went off to college, and I don't plan on getting rid of it now. But yeah, this is out with the old and with the new. I do want to I just put this in here temporarily when my nieces were here. As you can see, we definitely had guests recently, but eventually I want to put like a bigger, nicer mirror over there as well. Maybe like hang it here. Not really sure, but I do want to put a nice mirror in here for guests and whatnot. In addition to the mirror upstairs, there are some other things that I got. The next thing that I got is actually like this little vintage kind of perfume bottle. So I got this at an estate sale. It was $1. So there were two older women who had passed away, and their families were you know, selling their items, and so I picked this up because it was cute, and I actually think I want to use it for decor, or I might like legit use it. I don't know, I just thought it was cute, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I don't know where I'm going to put it. I was thinking I would put it on, so I have a vanity, a makeup vanity. I'm going to show you guys that today, but I feel like I want to like put this on there as like a little cute little decor piece. So yeah, this is one of the items that I got at the estate sale. Also, I got this little thing from the estate sale as well. It's literally, you know, just like a little decor piece. I think I'm going to put it in the office, but also in our bedroom, I have some gold vibes in there as well. So I may like throw this on a shelf in there. I may put it on my vanity. I don't really know, but this was like $1 as well, so I picked this up. Actually, I didn't purchase any of the things that I bought from the estate sale. I went to visit my mom's friend, and she wanted to go to the estate sale, so she took my husband and me, and we like all shopped, and she bought us stuff for the new house. Basically, like, she pretty much forced me to pick out items. So these are the items that I picked out, and again, I didn't purchase this, but I did get this from the estate sale. Next up from the estate sale, my husband picked up this Simply Delicious cookbook. This was $1 as well, and it has like a bunch of recipes inside of it. So like appetizers and starters, main courses, desserts and baked goods, and even cooking school. So he's like super excited about this, and yeah, this is a quick no, that's quick cooking. This is a cookbook that my husband picked up from the estate sale. He also picked up these additional cookbooks from the estate sale. He claims that he's gonna get like cooking with the budgets on and popping, which I believe him, but these are some items that he picked up from the estate sale as well. Again, they're like old throwback books, so I feel like that's the coolest part of it. They're literally like old and falling apart, but they probably have some good recipes in here. So these are some cookbooks that I'm gonna put in the kitchen and we can use whenever we're feeling frisky. Another thing that was purchased from the estate sale is this wreath. One of the ladies had like a whole bunch of stuff, and so like a whole bunch of Christmas stuff rather, I should say. Well, both of them kind of had a bunch of Christmas stuff. I assumed that maybe people weren't buying Christmas stuff because it was not in season. Like I said, my mom's friend pretty much forced us to buy stuff, so I did pick up this wreath and I'm gonna hang it on the door for Christmas. And it does have the little thing, I don't know where it is, I think it's in my husband's car, but it's battery operated and it still works. And this is like literally my first piece of Christmas decor. It's very random for me to be showing you this like in the thick of summer, but I got it at an estate sale for the low. And then the last thing from the estate sale is actually this. Again, like I said, the person had a bunch of Christmas stuff, like a whole bunch of Christmas stuff. Not all of it tickled my fancy, but some of it did. I don't plan to go like ham for Christmas. In fact, this Christmas coming up will be my first time ever decorating for Christmas, but I want to do like a little something something. I wasn't going to do red, I'm gonna be honest. I was probably going to do like a white and silver type of vibe, but whatever. So I'm going to put this up somewhere for Christmas. I'm going to hang stockings, I'm going to hang my wreath, and I'll put a tree up. Might throw some decorations outside, but like I'm really not. My husband's into Christmas, I should say. I'm into Christmas, I'm just not that into decorating, so I don't care to decorate, but my husband's into all of that. So this is going to be one of the items that we hang up or put up whenever Christmas gets here. Also, my best friend, we went to go visit one of my best friends who's a male, and he had like some kind of like knockoff Polo Ralph Lauren or something that somebody was selling. He has like mini bottles, so he gave one bottle to Mr. Budget. So I'm just throwing this in the haul because for whatever reason it's down here with all of the items that we've got from the weekend. So it came in a box and everything. It's brand new, but I think the box like fell apart. But anyway, this is something that Mr. Budget's got. Next up, we have these like bed trays from IKEA. Again, another one of Mr. Budget's finds. He has been searching high and low for bed trays so we can like work in bed or have breakfast in bed, because we do that a lot, or dinner in bed. We eat in bed more than what we should because our bed set and like the sheets and stuff are white. So anyway, nothing a little washing machine and a good wash and bleach and all that can't fix, but he's been searching high and low for some bed trays. He's been complaining all the while because he thinks that basically everything in life is too expensive, but he found these plastic ones from IKEA for $12.99, I believe. So I'll have them linked down below. But yeah, this is what they look like, and I'm gonna take one out the pack. We actually have two, and then I think this you can put like, I think this is for like a tablet or something. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open one of them just so we can set it up, and I can show you guys what it looks like. And we're gonna be using these probably tonight, if I'm being honest. We didn't, what did we eat last night? I don't even know what we ate last night, so that's probably why we didn't use them last night. But yeah, so anyway, they extend all the way, which is cool. And then they also fold up. So I don't really know how to lock it. I assume you're supposed to lock it in place. Yeah, you're supposed to lock it in place. Here are the directions, and they say something about like locking it into place. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, we can eat or work, and I don't know what this thing is. Oh, I guess it's for you to put your cord. So yeah, this is our bedside tray. Like I said, we have two. They came in other colors, but we got white because, you know, aesthetics. So next up from IKEA, we got two more of these. We got the big one and we got the small one. And these are the adjustable plate holders. So the reason why we got more is because our friend is sending us another dish. Well, we already got one dish set from our registry, but the other dish set our friend is actually sending us. So I'm gonna show y'all that whenever it gets here. I think the dish set will be delivered like tomorrow or something. But yeah, so we went ahead and picked up two more of these because we really don't have space with the ones that we have for like a whole different dish set. So we got the big one And then we got the little one, and I think the set comes with plates and bowls, which we can use this. We can put plates like saucers and bowls in this one, in the smaller one. And then it comes with cups, and then it comes with like some large plates. So we went ahead and picked up 2 of these. Also from IKEA, we picked up these picture frames. Well, I picked up these picture frames. I actually have 3 of them, and they say Ribba 50 by 50 centimeter. I think my plan is to put them above our bed, is to put our wedding photos in here and then place them above our bed. But also I have like some ideas where I could put them, like other places that I could put them. I kind of like low-key might want to do like a little gallery. I think my goal is to put the 3 of them above our bed and put our wedding photos in there, because we've never had our wedding photos like printed out professionally or like framed or anything like that. So I feel like that might be something that we might want to do, because I really do like our wedding photos. So we might do that. Again, I think I may put them over the bed, but I also have another idea where I could possibly put them, a couple of other ideas. It kind of, I think it would look cute too, right whenever we go into our room to the right, because there's nothing over there. So that might be what we do. I don't know, you guys, you know, stay tuned if you want to know what we actually do. But I did pick up these, and they were like $12.99, I think. Don't get me lying, but I think they were like $12.99, which I thought was super inexpensive. So yeah, we did pick up these from IKEA as well. And let me show you guys what I think is the last thing that we got from IKEA. So I picked up this, it's a dressing table. Technically it's a vanity. It comes in 2 parts. So there's part 1, there's part 2. Again, I think it's a dressing table. I'm gonna use it as a makeup vanity. It's pretty short, which was my goal. And so of course I'll come back and show you guys once this gets set up. I'll probably do like a makeup collection, makeup space, makeup area tour type of deal. But I do want to show you guys that. It did say it was new in the store, so it really caught my eye, so that's why I purchased it. So yeah, that is the last item that we purchased at IKEA. So like I mentioned before, I do have more pieces coming in. I have the dish set coming in. I have a bench coming in. I'm gonna have to purchase, well I don't have to, but this week I'll probably go ahead and purchase, try to look for, after this gets put together, look for like a bench to go with the dressing table. I don't think I want a chair. I might want a chair. I might just use like one of our dining chairs temporarily or something, but I think I'll be like in the market for like a cute chair to go with the dressing table. I would use our dining chair, but I feel like I will temporarily, but I don't want to get makeup and stuff on it, because these dining chairs were a lot of money, and I'm trying to find like a $30, $40, $50 chair for the vanity, or like a little store or something. They have a cute one at Target. I think I may purchase this like white, and it has gold legs, and I think that will not only tie into the bench that I'm purchasing, or that it's on its way here already, that's going to go to at the foot of the bed, but I also think it'll just kind of tie in, like make the vanity area just a little bit more glam. So I may pick that up. I do have to go out in a minute, but yeah, I do have other items coming in. A bench and some other home decor items that I am going to show you guys. So I'll be back, but I'm gonna probably be looking crazy then, so accept this as my official goodbye. So yeah, thanks for tuning in to the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.